Role of teachers in socialization. Teachers play one of the most important roles in shaping individuals and societies. Beyond teaching subjects like mathematics, science, or language, teachers also perform a crucial function known as socialization. Socialization means the lifelong process through which people learn the values, norms, behaviors, and skills that help them become functioning members of society. From early childhood to adulthood, teachers help students understand how to interact with others, respect rules, and contribute positively to their communities. In simple terms, teachers are not just educators, they are also builders of character and culture. When children enter school, they step into a structured social environment outside their family for the first time. The teacher becomes their guide in learning how society works. In the classroom, children learn discipline by following schedules, listening carefully, and respecting authority. They learn cooperation through group activities where teamwork, sharing, and communication are essential. Through these everyday experiences, teachers transmit values such as honesty, fairness, patience, and empathy. The school becomes a small version of society, and the teacher is the person who helps students adapt to it. Teachers also play a vital role in shaping the moral development of students. Through lessons, stories, and classroom discussions, they introduce concepts of right and wrong, justice and injustice, and respect for others. For instance, when a teacher encourages students to help a classmate in difficulty or to resolve conflicts peacefully, they are teaching more than good manners, they are teaching social responsibility. In this way, teachers influence the ethical foundation of future generations. Socialization through education also involves cultural transmission. Teachers help students learn about their national identity, traditions, history, and language. This builds a sense of belonging and pride in one's community. At the same time, good teachers promote tolerance, diversity, and global understanding. They teach students that the world is made up of many different cultures, beliefs, and lifestyles, and that respecting others is a key part of living in a peaceful society. By doing this, teachers prepare young people to live in multicultural and interconnected societies. In addition to moral and cultural values, teachers also help in developing social skills that are essential in daily life. They teach students how to express ideas, listen to others, cooperate in teams, and manage emotions. These are skills that no textbook can fully teach. They are learned through interaction, observation, and practice within the classroom. For example, when a teacher encourages students to present their ideas in front of the class, they help them build confidence and communication skills. When they mediate disputes between students, they teach conflict resolution and empathy. These lessons go far beyond academics, they shape personality and character. Teachers also influence students through their behavior and attitude. Children often look up to teachers as role models. The way a teacher speaks, dresses, or handles stress sends powerful messages to students about what is acceptable and admirable in society. A teacher who is fair, kind, and consistent teaches students to value justice and compassion. On the other hand, a teacher who discriminates or shows favoritism can unintentionally teach harmful attitudes. This is why the professional ethics and emotional intelligence of teachers are so important. In many ways, teachers bridge the gap between family and society. Parents are the first socializing agents, but teachers continue that process in a more structured environment. They reinforce lessons learned at home, such as respect and cooperation, while introducing students to new social norms and expectations. For example, While parents may teach a child to speak politely, teachers help them apply that skill in larger social groups like classrooms, playgrounds, and community events. This transition is essential for personal growth and social adjustment. In modern times, the role of teachers in socialization has become even more complex. With the rise of technology, social media, and globalization, students are exposed to many conflicting values and influences. Teachers now have the added responsibility of guiding students through this information overload and helping them distinguish between positive and negative influences. They teach digital literacy, online ethics, and responsible use of technology. In this way, they help students become not only knowledgeable individuals but also responsible digital citizens. Teachers also play a crucial role in promoting equality and social justice. In classrooms, they can challenge stereotypes, break down prejudices, and create an inclusive environment where all students feel valued. For example, a teacher who ensures that both boys and girls have equal opportunities to speak or lead a group helps promote gender equality. A teacher who supports children from marginalized backgrounds or with special needs helps create a more just and compassionate society. Thus, teachers are not only educators but also social reformers who can change mindsets and reduce discrimination. Furthermore, teachers help in developing a sense of civic duty and national responsibility among students. By teaching about laws, rights, and responsibilities, they help young people understand their role as citizens. They encourage participation in community service, environmental protection, and volunteer activities. Through such lessons, teachers help build a generation that values democracy, peace, and cooperation. The influence of teachers does not end when school ends. Many adults still remember their teachers who encouraged them, guided them, and believed in their potential. These memories shape their behavior and attitudes throughout life. The values taught by teachers often influence how people behave as parents, workers, and citizens. In this sense, teachers shape not only individuals but also the moral fabric of entire societies. In conclusion, the role of teachers in socialization is far deeper than simply transferring knowledge. Teachers shape the hearts, minds, and behaviors of students. They teach how to live with others, how to make moral decisions, and how to contribute to the community. Through their guidance, students learn discipline, empathy, communication, and respect, qualities that make society more stable and humane. As the world changes rapidly, the responsibility of teachers grows even more important. They must continue to nurture students who are not only educated but also socially responsible, ethical, and compassionate human beings. If you found this explanation helpful and believe teachers are true builders of society, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support encourages the creation of more educational content that spreads awareness about the important roles teachers and education play in shaping a better world.